जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 4th chapter ज्ञानयोगम 41st श्लोक। गीताचार्युడు శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Arjuna, do you want not to be tied by your present and past activities, karmas? If yes, then do like this. Arjuna, think that Paramatma is having you do all your activities. Think that you are doing Paramatma's work. Think that the fruits of all the actions that you perform also belongs to Paramatma. This thinking should be done with your intellect. If you do like this, it is nothing but you are making all your activities as jnanakaram. That means you are enveloping all your actions with jnanam. Then with that strength of jnanam, you will have no doubts in your mind, and your mind will be always at peace. Your mind will be very strong, and none of your present or past actions will cause any bondage to you. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma giving his teachings while having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts. Now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Yoga sanyasta karmanam jnana sanchinna samsayam atmavantam na karmani nibadhnanti dhananjaya. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your activities as my service, keep on doing namaskaram to me, surrender to me alone unconditionally, mamekam saranam vraja, do not cry, ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep performing all my activities as your service. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on doing namaskaram to you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep doing as you say. I shall keep behaving as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుక మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీ దేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Sriman Narayana's avatarams to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, Paramatma takes birth as Manu in every Manvantaram. Manvantareshu Manuvamsadharo Bibharti. So Paramatma comes down as Manu in every Manvantaram, and he does make sure that his orders are obeyed in every corner of the entire Srishti. In every aspect and respect, his orders should be obeyed. To that extent, he does make sure, and he punishes all those who goes against his orders. O Narada, and also Paramatma as a Manu with his great character, he spreads, with his great fame, he spreads all over the world and even in Satyalokam. Like this, Paramatma in every Manvantara, he comes down as Manu. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma explaining, describing Manvavataram to Narada Maharshi. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. శ్లోకాస్ ఫ్రమ్ ముకుందమాలా స్తోత్రం. భక్తాపాయ భుజంగ గారుడమణిః త్రైలోక్య రక్షామణిః గోపీలోచన చాతకాంబుదమణిః సౌందర్య ముద్రామణిః యః కాంతామణి రుక్మిణీ ఘనకుచ ద్వంద్వైక భూషామణిః శ్రేయో దేవశిఖామణిః దిశతు నో గోపాలచూడామణిః. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణేనామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 4th chapter 41st శ్లోక. యోగ సన్యస్త కర్మాణం జ్ఞానసంఛిన్న సంశయం ఆత్మవంతం न कर्माणि निबध्नन्ति धनञ्जय। योगसन्न्यस्तकर्माणं ज्ञानसञ्छिन्नसंशयम् आत्मवन्तं न कर्माणि निबध्नन्ति धनञ्जय। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।